My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 198. In this lecture, I will continue my discussion on interpreting the logistic regression equation. Let's begin with probability. Probability ranges from 0 to 1. What is the minimum value of probability? 0 and maximum value is 1. Let's say that the probability of success is P equal to 0.8. Then probability of failure is Q equal to 1 minus P. That is 1 minus P means what? 1 minus 0.8, which is equal to 0.2. Odds are determined from probabilities and range between, what is the range of odd? From 0 to positive infinity. This I already discussed in my previous lecture, that is lecture number 197. Odds are defined as the ratio of probability of success and the probability of failure. The odds of success, I can say odd of success. What is your odd of success? Equal to P by 1 minus P. This I already discussed anyway, let me repeat. I can say it is P by Q, which is equal to 0.8 by 0.2, which is 4. I can say it is 4 by 1, isn't it? That is the odds of success. What does it mean? The odds of success. The odds of success are 4 to 1. I can say like this, 4 to 1. The odds of failure. What is your odds of failure? Odds of failure is equal to, how can I say? Odds of failure means I can say Q by P. Q by 1 minus Q I can say. That is 0.2 by 0.8. 0.8 which is equal to 0.25, isn't it? This looks a little strange, but it is really saying that the odds of failure, 0.25 means I can write it as 1 by 4. I will repeat. This looks a little strange, but it is really saying that the odds of failure are 1 to 4. This is 4 to 1. This is 1 to 4. What does it mean? What it says? The odds of success and odds of failure are just reciprocal of one another. That is, I can say that is 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25 and 1 by 0.25 is equal to 0.25 equal to 4, isn't it? Yes, this I think anybody can understand. It's simple mathematics, isn't it? Now, what is this? Odds of using coupon. What is this y? Y is coupon, dependent variable. I can say it is dependent variable, or I can say it is outcome variable, isn't it? Here, which one is dependent variable? Which one is outcome variable? Here, dependent variable is coupon. This one is coupon. What is the meaning of y equal to 1? Y means coupon, equal to 1 means that odds of using coupon, isn't it? Odds of using coupon for given x1, x2, so on xp. These are independent variables, isn't it? What is your x1? What is your x2? What is your xp? They are independent variables by p equal to y equal to 1 means here I am writing y equal to 0 means this is using coupon, this is not using coupon, which can be written as p of y equal to 1. This can be written as 1 minus p of y equal to 1, isn't it? It is just similar to p by, I can say p by 1 minus p. Is it not just similar to P by 1 minus P. It's simple and straightforward. P by 1 minus P. Probability of success divided by probability of not success. This is probability of success. This is probability of not success. Generally, the odd is P by 1 minus P. That is odd. Probability of y equal to 1 is the success. Probability of y equal to 1 is success. Probability of y equal to 0 is not success. That not success can be written as 1 minus P of y equal to 1. So, probability of y equal to 1 given that different independent probability of y equal to 1 given the different independent variables x1, x2, so on xp. This function is called odds function. From odds function, now we will try to understand odd ratio. What is this odd ratio? Because this odd ratio is very helpful to explain the coefficient of logistic regression equation. So, odds ratio is odds 1 by odds 0. What is this odds 1? What is this odds 0? We will try to understand. That means at 0th level, what is the odd when the first level, what is the odd? This is 0th level. 0th level, what is the odd? What is the odd? What is the odd at first level? 1 means what? What is the odd at first level? I can say 0th level means not having the credit card. What is the meaning of 0th level? Not having the credit card. Not having the credit card. Not having the credit card. 1 means what? Having the credit card. Having the credit card. Isn't it? Yes. Having the credit card. 0th level means not having the credit card. First level means having the credit card. We are jumping from one level to another level. From which level? From 0 level to first level. 0 level means not having the credit card. 1 level means having the credit card. So, odds ratio measures the impact of odds of the odds ratio measures the impact on the odds of 1 unit increase in only one of the independent variables. Here, which one is the independent variable? Credit card is the independent variable. We will try to understand this particular interpretation. So, this odds ratio will help us to interpret the logistic regression equation if the independent variable is increased by 1 unit. What is the effect of that on dependent variable? We will interpret this. What's the interpretation? For example, suppose we want to compare odds of using the coupon. Suppose we want to compare odds of using the coupon for customer who spent $2,000 annually. Let me say otherwise, we want to compare the odds of using the coupon. Which one is coupon? Coupon is dependent variable. I will repeat. We want to compare the odds of using the coupon for customer who spent $2,000 annually and having Siemens credit card. X2 equal to 1, X1 equal to 2 means customers who spent $2,000. X2 equal to 1 means what is the meaning of the having Siemens credit card. This is what, isn't it? This one you have to compare to the odds of using coupon for the customers who spend $2,000 and $2,000 annually and do not have Siemens credit card. What is the meaning of this one? X1 equal to means customer who spent $2,000. X2 equal to 1 means having Siemens credit card. X1 equal to means customers who is spending $2,000 annually and those who do not have Siemens credit card. We want to compare these two, isn't it? We want to compare odds using the compare odds compare odds of using the coupon. Compare odds of using the coupon means I must compare using the coupon with this level to with this level, means with using the Siemens credit card, without using the Siemens credit card, but amount is same $2,000 they are spending. How can I compare? We will try to understand. Just say this one. How can I say? Yes, this one we are interested in interpreting effect of 1 unit increase in the independent variable. Here which one is independent variable? X2 we are saying x2 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 0. What is the increase of 1 unit increase in the independent variable? 0 to 1 means 1 unit increase in the independent variable x2, which indicates Siemens credit card, isn't it? Now we will try to calculate this simple one. Just see odds 1. Probability y equal to 1. Y means what? Using coupon. Y means using coupon. When $2,000 is spent, those people who have Siemens credit card by 1 minus this one. What is 1 minus? Same thing. What is y equal to 1 means using coupon. Just see $2,000 spending and using credit card. Yes, that's value. This is yes means what? X2 equal to 1. That is 0.4099 by 1 minus this one. This is the values. In similar manner, odds 0 means what? Odds 0 means not using credit card. X2 equal 0 means what? Not using credit card. Not using credit card means no. And y equal to 1 means what is coupon? Using coupon. When 2000, x1 equal to means $2,000, isn't it? What is that particular value? This one, 0.1880. This is, isn't it? X2 equal 0 means no. No means no. $2,000 means this one. The probability of using coupon. This is probability of that's value you are getting 0.2315. Estimated odd ratio. What is your estimated odds ratio? Odds 1 by odds 1 by I can say odds 0. That is 3. What is that? 3.0. What does it mean? What does it mean? The estimated odds in favor of using the coupon for customers who spent $2,000 last year and having Siemens card are 3 times. Why? Because you are getting that odds ratio as 2, isn't it? It's 3. Estimated odds ratio is 3. 3 times greater than the estimated odds in favor of using the coupon for customer who spent $2,000 do not have Siemens credit card. Who spent this is with Siemens credit card. This is without Siemens credit card. With Siemens credit card, you are getting 3 times greater than without Siemens credit card. It's simple interpretation. Anybody can understand. The odds ratio of each independent variable is computed while holding all other independent variables constant. In this particular example, there are 2 independent variables, x1 and x2. One independent variable is related to spending amount and another one is related to Siemens credit card, isn't it? You can calculate odds ratio for spending amount as well as Siemens credit card. Already I calculated your odds ratio for Siemens credit card. In next class or future classes, I will calculate odds ratio for other independent variable, that is the spending amount. But it does not matter what constant values are used for other independent variables. Just say this one. For instance, if we compute odds ratio for Siemens credit card variable x2. X2 is using $3,000 instead of $2,000. Earlier we were discussing about $2,000. Now let me calculate same thing for $3,000 as the value of annual spending variable x1. Yes, annual spending variable x1. That is one more independent variable. Just see how will I calculate what is my odds 1 for which? For $3,000. This is my $3,000, isn't it? What is with the credit card? With credit card is What is that? 0.49. This is 0.4943 by 1 minus 0.4943. You will get 0.4943 by 0.505057. You will get 0.9797745 This is odds 1. What is your odds 0? Your odds 0 is, what is your odds 0? This is this one. Odds 0 means no credit card, isn't it? That is 0.2457 by 1 minus 0.2457, isn't it? What will you get? 0.2457 by 1 minus 0.2457 means 0.7543, which is equal to 0.325732. Estimated odd ratio. What is your estimated odd ratio? Estimated odd ratio is, that is 0.97745699 by 0.325732. What will you get? Approximately you will get 3, isn't it? Same thing, we are getting same value for $2,000 also. That's what it says. Isn't it? That anybody can understand. It's simple and straightforward. What it says, thus we can conclude that estimated odds of using coupon for customer who have Siemens credit card 3 times, that's important, 3 times greater than the estimated odds of using the coupon for customers who do not have Siemens credit card. I will continue my discussion on same logistic regression in my next lecture also. Thank you very much.